Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're going to be trying out a Cuisinart recipe. We're going to be making Brioche Loaf. So let's begin. For our ingredients, we're going to be using 1/3 cup of whole milk, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 3 large eggs. These first 3 ingredients should be at room temperature. We're also going to be using 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of non-fat powdered milk, and 2 cups plus 3/4 of a cup and 1 tablespoon of flour. Also 2 teaspoons and 1/4 of a teaspoon of yeast. Okay, so starting off our brioche loaf, we are going to add our milk, our butter, softened butter at room temperature. We're then going to add our 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. And by the way, I sprayed the pan just to make it easier for its kneading. Next, we're gonna add our salt, our sugar, our powdered milk. Oops, sorry, that was the yeast. Our powdered milk, non-fat. Our 2/3 cups of flour plus 1 tablespoon. So I like to sift it. That way we don't get any lumps in our mixture. So I'm gonna sift this for a while. As you can see, this is why I like sifting the flour. See all those lumps? We're not gonna get that in our mixture now. And last but not least, our yeast. Before adding our yeast, I'm gonna make a small little well here in the center. It's like a little nest, making sure that it doesn't go all the way through because we don't want any liquids touching this yeast yet. There we go. Now we're gonna secure the bread pan by shifting it to the right into the Cuisinart maker. Okay, now I'm just going to close the lid, start her on, selecting the sweet program today, number 5. My crust color, light, medium, dark, and my weight, it's going to be 1.5 pounder. And we're going to start. Let's see if I could turn on the light for you guys. And there she goes. And 3 hours and 20 minutes later, voila! Look at this beautiful brioche. Piping hot, I just took it out. Super fluffy, super delicious. I cannot explain how this smells. Listen to the crunch. Look how insane that is. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe, and also if there's any recipe you would like us to try, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram. See you soon. Bye-bye.